and welcome back. I'm just doing unboxing after unboxing, it feels like. But this time is actually for a good reason, maybe. There was a deal on phones, and Lynn actually just broke her phone not so long ago, so we decided that we'd give in and go ahead and buy a couple of new phones. I mean, it doesn't feel like that long ago since we got the HTC U11s. I mean, they are on the U12 now, I think, or something like that, and we decided that we were going to go in a different direction, unfortunately because HTC went out of business. So we ended up getting a couple of Pixels, the 3 and the 3XL. This one's mine, and this one's Lynn's. So why don't we go ahead and readjust the camera here and check it out. Alright, cool. Alright, and here we go. We have both of the phones side by side. This is my sister's Pixel 3, which the box is quite nice. We both got the just white one with the button on the side. And this is my XL3, or Pixel 3 XL. So, yeah, not bad. Again, yep. Alright, and I asked her earlier to make sure that I could open it for her, just for this unboxing, really. I love the way to open these boxes. There's just this little tab right here. And just pull it across. And then, if I recall correctly from the older... Oh no, this one's a little different. There's another one right here. Pull it across like that. And then, voila, we have the phone. Which, pop open. So this one is actually quite smaller than I thought it was when I saw it in the store. I was interested in grabbing this phone, but because of the smaller size, it actually reminds me a lot of like the classic iPhone that I used to play with. But really fancy packaging. Pretty sure they spent a lot of money on this, but let's check out what else they got here. Okay, so that's your SIM card remover. Although they already activated the phone for us from the store, so we're good. Oh, cool! A Google sticker. Don't have too many of these. Team Pixel, huh? And then, looks like instructions. Consumer safety information and the Google instructions, I think. Put that aside right there. And then, wow, okay, comes with quite a bit. Google headphones that are USB 3, or USB-C, I'm sorry, for the phone, because there is no phone or headphone jack in this anymore. And then, just to show you again, there's just the USB-C port, which we've pretty much adapted everything in our house to USB-C anyways. Our previous phone was USB-C only. And then this is just the charging goods. USB-C cable. There is a USB-C to regular USB-A, I think it is. I'm not 100% sure. But there's an adapter right there. And then the ever so important USB-C to headphone jack, should you still want to use your traditional headphones. And then this should just be the wall charger. Yep. Simple design. Nothing too crazy. I do wonder if this is all white and the just black or not pink packages as well. That is kind of curious, but here we go. So that's what comes out of the regular Pixel, and then Putting it all back so that she could open it herself, should she want to. And then, well, I'll keep it like that for now. And here we go with this one. This is the 3XL. And again, same deal. Go ahead. Oh yeah, pull that right there. And then again, that right there. Then just let it slide. Whoop. And there it is. So let's see. Maybe I could do this. Get that going. Like that. And that. Be like that, I guess. And then we have the phone, which is a little bit bigger. It's actually the same size as my HTC U11 currently, so not bad. And then once we pull this little stand deal out, looks like the exact same thing. Yep. SIM card remover. Oh, there's a let's get started card in this one. That's cool. Sticker, and then your important consumer information. All the same. All the same. Exactly the same. And yep. No biggie on difference between the 3 and the 3XL. Just gonna try to take everything out of mine. I'll just leave that wrapped for now. But flip that over. Let's see if we can get that to stay. Yep, perfect, just like that. And then we have the headphones. And all the instructions with the SIM card remover. There you go. Nothing too special there. Just try not to lose it. Put that down. The Let's Get Started book. How to get set up. Perfect. Right there. The stickers. Put that right there. And then the safety information and the Google manual. Put those right there. And yeah, these earphones are kind of interesting looking. Obviously a little different than what I'm used to, but what else? No biggie. I don't even know how much or how often I'll use these, seeing how I have Bluetooth headphones. I might also use the HTC headphones that I have. I like those a lot, but we'll get to compare, I guess. And yeah, that's it. Really, I'm just kind of curious if I missed that instruction manual deal that was right here. Oh, okay, so it has it too. So there you go. And voila, that is everything. So here we go with the regular Pixel, the Pixel 3 XL, all the same accessories and paperwork. So cool. All right, thanks for checking out this unboxing. Until we see you in the next one.